welcome back. Alright.
What's that? Just like all these.
What do I do with my hands? Cool. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Deathbyboost. Today we got a big old treat for you. We got merch. Ready?
Yeah, let's see what it looks like.
I am excited for this.
Been waiting a couple weeks now.
Yeah. We are going to be giving away 5 of these, and we're also going to be selling them.
So shirts and hoodies. For now.
Oh man. You want to do the honors?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Front. So we have a skeleton hand holding the turbo from our logo on the front. And the back. Oh, that turned out slick.
Oh man. Way better in person. Alright guys. Here's the shirts. Don't mind this cruise behind us. It's turbocharged. Like these shirts. Check out the back. Grim Reaper holding a Turbski with Deathbyboost. So we're gonna be giving away 5 of these to you guys. But what you need to do is hit that like button below and hit that subscribe button. And then head over and watch the 2-step video that we created. Make sure you hit the like button on that one. And then comment in the section below of what you would like in our future videos to help us out to entertain you guys. Anyways, good luck guys. Thanks for watching.